Oh, let me tell you one thing. I think the honorable president of VPP has already said that he will tell his newly elected MP to make sure that ED and CBI step in our state. From me as a president of NPP and also as deputy chief minister in the government, MDA government, we welcome this because see, all these years they keep talking about corruption, corruption, corruption. I used to also clarify, but it seems people tend to believe that Preston or Conrad or Snobha or all the ministers in the MDA government are corrupted. So my point is very clear. I'm here to make sure that I serve for the interest of the state as a whole. I have my own salary, not that I live with that corruption, not that I have my house because of that corruption. If I do, I'm telling you, let people come black and white. Tell me where is that corruption happen, in which department holding by Preston, or in what way. Then FIR can be filed, and then let the the court takes all the necessary steps up to the logical conclusion. So now I seen yesterday the statement made by the president of VPP. I welcome. It's good, and let people really know where is that corruption happen, and let also people understand whether the allegation made by anybody is genuine or not, is substantiated or not. So let people understand, and let also those central agencies step in the state of Meghalaya. We welcome that.